Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. First we're going to go to settings. In my case the settings icon is right here, but if you're having trouble finding it on your iPhone, you can just swipe down from the middle of your screen to activate the search bar. Then type in settings and select the icon. Okay, now we're going to select sounds and haptics. As you can see, my current ringtone is set on suspense. And we're going to click on the ringtone so we can change it. We can select any of these ringtones. Or we can select some of the classics. Once we're happy with our selection, you can go back to your home screen by swiping up from the bottom of your iPhone. And you're done. I hope this helps, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips.